D-line is very, very high quality. If you have a summer house out to the sea, which I have, you'll see if it's not the top quality, the outdoor door handle gets rusty and very unpleasant to touch. So I think there's all these different, and in swimming halls, in sports facilities with very often with very tough climate. Actually, the climate in the swimming hall is probably the most aggressive, which almost is in existence. And I mean, you can specify D-line even for a situation like that.
But the beauty or the intelligence is really inside. The ball bearing rows, on which we had a patent for 25 years. The ball bearings reduce the friction to practically zero of the door opening operation. And that has been tested for 500,000 operations, which means practically 20 years in a door handle's life.
This is all handmade, so that means that it's bended by hands. It is 4 times brushed by brands. We use the high class stainless steel material, which is called ASI 316. Next to that, the Danish design and the design of Knut Hollischer office. So all that supplies a standard to the market.
The global network that we're emphasizing on has a lot of advantages towards the architect. Not only the architect, but also the builders, the owner of the building. Because we are actually or his prolonged arm, making sure that whatever he's specifying will actually also suit his needs, and we will fulfill the local standards and requirements when we talk about, let's say, fire doors, escape doors. This is where we have the knowledge, and this is where the architect can actually take advantage of our knowledge. We don't possess everything here in-house, and this is one of the reasons why we also would like to work with distributors, because they have the local knowledge. They vary a little bit from country to country, so I would say in cooperation with our distributors we create a very, very strong team.
But we also go one step ahead and offer a kind of a package or a complete solution. So starting with a meeting, the initial meeting with the architect and the client, we get to know basically what is their requirement. We collect all the details, and then we come back with a proposal, and we put forward a complete schedule for each and every door, and giving them a package. You know, the warranty that we offer on the D-line, also we stand by it, making sure that it is fixed as per the D-line recommendation. Once that is done, the project is handed over. The client is quite happy, and that's one reason where he calls us back.
Everyone in D-line treats architects and designers as their primary focus of attention. Whatever they want, we want to be in a position to give them. Whether it is something which is within our scope of work or within our capabilities or not. So it means really that we end up doing a lot of work which is not part of a normal ironmonger's job. To give you an example, it means that many times we go beyond the call of duty to give something like, for instance, I would like the neck to be a little shorter, you know, because when the door opens, I don't have a thick door frame, so it hits the wall. Can you please make the neck a little shorter? Yes, of course, we own our own production facilities. We can.
Everything you can get in D-line. And that, as a job architect, is marvelous, because you don't need to feel that now you are coming into the bathroom and we have to go and find something else. And then we have also, of course, developed special toilet items for larger public space like airports and so forth.